friends, I am going to teach Vedic Maths here. This is our first Vedic Maths class. अगर क्लास पसंद आए तो चैनल को ज़रूर लाइक सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर करें. Our first class is on multiplication table tricks. So, first multiplication table for 11. Okay? क्योंकि बच्चे 10 तक की टेबल तो ईज़िली लर्न कर लेते हैं, बट उसके बाद टेबल को लर्न करने में थोड़ी कठिनाइयाँ होती है. सो आई एम टेकिंग द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज 45 into 11. So we will be taking here 0 on both the sides. We will be taking 0 on both the sides because we are taking 11 base is 10. There are many tricks for a single question in maths. From right side, now we will start adding 0 plus 5, that is 5, 5 plus 4, that is 9, and 4 plus 0, that is 4. From right to left we will write, and so our answer will be 495. That is 45 into 11 will be 495. Okay, then I am going to take one more example from multiplication table from 11. That is second example is 826 into 11. So same we will do 826 into 11, putting 0 on both the sides. 11 has the base 10, so single 0 on both the side, and we will start adding two numbers. That is 0 plus 6 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8, 2 plus 8 is 10, and carry 1 on the feet, and that passes next 8 plus 0 plus 1, that is 9. So the answer will be 9086. Answer of 826 into 11 will be 9086. Now, second topic for multiplication is multiplication table from 22 to 99. How we will do multiplication table from 22 to 99? We are taking our first example as 98 into 55. How we will do that? 55 can be said as 5 into 11. Okay. Now, we are doing 98 into 5 first of all. 98 into 5 we are doing, and our number will be 490. After that, same process will be followed as we are following in 11 multiplication. So putting 0 on both the sides of 490. Okay, 110 on both the sides because 11 is in the base 10. So, and after that we are adding two number from right to left. So 0 plus 0 will be 0, 0 plus 9 will be 9, 9 plus 4 will be 13, carry 1 to the feet, and then 4 plus 0 plus 1 will be 5. So the answer will be 5390. So the question answer 98 multiplied by 55 will be 5390. Same wise we will follow all from 22 to 99. First of all, we will multiply the upper number by the single number that is to be multiplied by 11, and then after that we will follow the 11 rules by taking the base. We are making one question can be solved in different ways in Vedic Maths, many tricks, but here I took the base method to solve the problem. Okay, अगर चैनल पसंद आए या कुछ भी गलती हुई हो तो मैं माफ़ी चाहूँगी. और ज़रूर चैनल को लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर करें। नेक्स्ट टॉपिक नेक्स्ट क्लास में हमारा मल्टीप्लिकेशन टेबल फ्रॉम 12 to 19 रहेगा। थैंक यू।